I'm going to show you guys how I press my glass tumblers. We're going to do a frosted one, and then we're also going to do a clear one. I put a piece of paper in here so you can see how dark and vibrant the print is, but I'm going to walk you step by step how I do it. This is my press here. It's not a specific brand. I actually ordered this from a group that I'm in on Facebook. If you want to know what that group is, just message me. Cut a piece of Teflon. You can get this off of Amazon. I cut it, and it's reusable, and I place it inside. It actually helps to hold the heat better around your tumblers. And I'm gonna let this heat up to 190 degrees Celsius. And ignore the timer because I leave my tumblers in there for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. My press is ready. So I am going to take my tumbler and place it inside the press, like so, and close. This press is set to start the timer counting down when I close it. I can't close it all the way because the glass tumblers are a little thicker than 20-ounce tumblers. So I just hit the minus and it will start count down. Instead of using that one, I use this one here. One of the key things that I have come to realize is you don't want to put too much pressure. If you put too much pressure, then your design is not going to come out as you expect it to. It actually pulls some of this paper off onto the design. So you're just going to pull this shut and then let the timer count down. If you have multiple sides on your tumbler, like designs on multiple sides, you can rotate this every minute or so and press again. Okay, the frosted one is ready to take out. And now we're going to do the clear one the exact same way. These haven't completely cooled yet, but let's see what it looks like. Look at there. That is the frosted one. And this is the clear one. They turn out great.